Okay guys, so I am using Adobe Express. So we go into text to image. Usually this is on the first page. So we can use that, the text image, and we can type mom ghost on a white background, right? And we click on generate. Okay, so let us look for mom ghost on a white background and let's see what Adobe has for us. I don't like that one. Okay, so we have this, this one, we have a few. Okay, and I actually took the liberty of creating this earlier, inserting this prompt. It actually gave me some pretty good ones, right? Right, so we have a different, a wide variety to choose from. I like this one, so I will download this one as a PNG. We can ask it to load more. I like this one. Okay, I really like this one. But we want the single ones, so we download this one. And I think the more we ask it to load, it is giving us, some pretty good options. Okay, so let us look for that. Okay, so we have, I like this one, so I will download this one. And we have this one. We also have this one, but I think I like the first two better. This one is nice. I will download this as well. So let us look for the animals. Dog goes. Okay, I like this one. I really like this one, so I will download this one. And we also can download this one as well, right? And let us look for a cat goose. So I will look for the other family members and I will speed up the process so this tutorial will not take long. Okay, so now that we have all our ghosts, right, I will go over to Canva. Yes, I can also use here Adobe Express to create it, but I can also go to Canva and just create my portrait. Okay, so I'll go to, so I'm in Canva and I will do 11 by 14 custom size. Okay, so no, I have to change that sizing, so let me try it again. I'll try a 14 by 11. Okay, and I will generate this. Okay, or I could have done an 8.5, right, by 11, but I would use this. And of course, if you have the paid version of Canva, you can easily go to resize and resize everything here. Okay, right, so I already have my download, so I will upload my downloads right now. Okay guys, so what I'll do is simply remove the backgrounds. Hey guys, please like and subscribe our channel, okay? So guys, I'm now removing the background for each of the items. Good. So now I will download these in a transparent background, okay? As a PNG file. And that includes all the pages. And this transparent background option is only for persons who are on the paid plan. Okay, guys, so now I have downloaded my file. I will just unzip it. Okay, so now the file is unzipped. I will go into upload and upload everything now. So as you can see, the backgrounds are gone and we can actually start creating. So let us start with a background, a gray is a gray background, dark gray. We should be able to find something here, right? So we can work with that. And let us go into elements and get some spider web, right? So I want something looking a little more realistic, right? So this is fine. Okay, this is also nice. And we also have the spiders hanging and also some bats, right? And what we will do is reduce the transparency so it wouldn't look so, bright and up in our faces, okay? These are just background elements, just to create that scary ambience. Okay, so I think we have something really nice here. We'll go back to the uploads now and upload our images. So we have the mommy, right? We can make her big. And then we have the daddy, right? I like the daddy here. This is mommy and this is the daddy. And now let us bring in the kids. All right, so we have a variety of options for the kids, right? So we have the daughter looking and we have the son here. Okay, let us bring mommy closer. And let us bring in an animal. We can bring in the cat. Okay, and this is a sample of the portrait. We also can include some pumpkins. So let us go in element and get some pumpkin. You can even get a witch hat. Just spruce up this, little ghost figure. Okay, right? So this is really nice. We can use this, right? Do you want, we can actually just add more pumpkins if we like, or, and then we can add some names to these as well. So let us look for some scary text. Okay, so we have these are the scary texts we can use. So we have Jane. Let's duplicate this and put John. Hey guys, please like and subscribe our channel, okay? Okay, so this is the ghost family, the ghost portrait, right? And this is so beautiful. Another option is, let us duplicate this. And what we can do is look into elements and we can find, let's say, witches, right? So we can replace ghosts with witches, or we can use the same format that we basically used before. All right. So instead of using a ghost here, we can use a witch, right? And instead of using this cat, we can mix it up with one that Canva has and use this cat instead. Okay. And we can use this beautiful witch right here. Because it is the scary family, right? After all. So we have the witch here, and I put in a boy witch, but anyway, the boy witch. Okay, but anyway, look, we even have a ghost. We can remove this and put in a ghost right here, and we can, just, hey, there's a cat, a ghost cat, So there are so many options here that we can choose to create our own style, right? Our own elements, that we can basically sell on Etsy, right? So basically this is it. And what you can do is kind of lay out all the items on a sheet, right? Because when you go into elements or it uploads here, you can basically lay out everything that you want the person to choose from, right? I will not do the entire layout for you, right? But I'm just giving you an idea of what you can basically do. Hey guys, please like and subscribe our channel, okay? Okay guys, so you can lay this out, have all the mommies together and daddies together and the kids and everything, and you can just label it as the mommy and the kids. And so when persons are ready to decide what they want, you can easily put the items together, just for demonstration purposes. Okay, so when people are ordering, when people are ordering, they can put their name, Daddy A John Doe, Mommy A John, Mommy A Susie, this kind of stuff. So they will be able to choose the characters that they want. So you see how easy it is to create something like this, and you will make a lot of money with this. All right, so what we can do from here is download one, and we will download as a PNG, and we'll go back to Canva and look for free mockups. And what we'll look for is one that basically, or we can create our own mockups, right? Okay, so what I will do is simply go into here and look for a background, go into elements and look for frame, no, sorry, pictures. Okay, so we have this one, right? So we can use this mockup here to insert our picture, right? And there are more. We have another one here, right, that you can also use to create that mockup, right, to see how easy it is, right? And what we can do is basically create our background. So let's look for a scary Halloween home. So we'll look for a scary Halloween home or scary Halloween living room. Okay, so we can use something like this. And I'll show you what we will do next, because we want to make this looking as realistic as possible. All right, so what I will do now is go into elements, and we will upload our elements. Okay, so we will insert our picture. So we will insert this here. Okay, so we have this here. Copy this, and you're going to put this here now, right? See how lovely this is looking, right? And you can also put this here, at least on the wall, and we'll get a frame element if we can find one. There you go, right? Of course, you fix it up, and now we need to make it look real. So we'll look for spider webs. Okay, so this is a realistic spider, but we can use this spider as well. We can put this here because remember it's Halloween, so we want to make things look really, realistic. So a spider web. Okay, so instead of searching, I will just use what I have on top here and simply bring this down. Okay, and we can change the color up here of the spider web to white. And just to save time, we can duplicate this and go at the top and flip this. Flip again. Right. So you can use this, right? See how this is looking? It's looking beautiful. Then let us look for a pumpkin, because we need to make this look as realistic as possible. Okay, so this is looking lovely already. Are you seeing what I'm talking about? So we can copy this and actually place this pumpkin over here. And let us get the Halloween spiders. So we can have this spider dropping here. And of course, let us put some, I don't like the spider web. There you have it. You have your mockups easily done for you right here inside of, so everything is in one place, right guys? So this is my, this is my version of a personalized Halloween portrait. Okay,